In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer data from a phone to a laptop. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The simplest and most convenient way to transfer any amount of data of any type from a phone to a laptop is by using a USB cable. So all that you have to do is connect a USB cable from your computer or your laptop to your phone. Immediately when you connect the cable, you should have options either on your phone screen or your computer screen to enable data transfer. So I just went ahead and I connected my phone to my PC, and now I have the option to enable file transfer. This might be different depending on your phone, but after you enable data transfer between both devices, it should appear under the devices connected to your PC. Usually it is going to be located when you open up File Explorer and you go to this PC, at least on Windows. Once you find your phone, open it up and you can browse through the internal storage of it. You can see all the files that you have. You can download pictures, videos, any data that you can find on your phone. It is all going to appear and you are able to transfer any amount of data from a phone to a laptop. So I'm just going to go ahead and browse through my documents, and there's this video that I want to transfer. All that you have to do is find any file or data that you want to transfer, and I recommend that you copy it all. Keep in mind that you can also cut the file, which will remove it from the phone, but I'm just going to go ahead and copy. Now that you have the file from your phone copied, you can paste it anywhere inside of your PC. It is going to get transferred, and as you can see, the process is very straightforward. You can now run any file on your laptop or PC. As you might be aware, depending on the size of the file, it might take longer to transfer, but as long as the phone is connected to your laptop without any interruptions, any type of data and data of any size will be able to be transferred. Just make sure that the USB cable is properly connected and that you set it up properly inside of your phone, and you will be able to make the transfer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from your phone to a laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.